In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view all chat media on Discord on PC, including photos, videos, and files, using Discord's built-in search commands. This is a really quick method, and it's perfect if you want to find something someone sent a long time ago without scrolling through endless messages. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the Discord app on your PC and go to the chat, DM, or server channel you want to search. This can be a private conversation, a group DM, or any text channel inside a server. Once you're in the right place, look at the top right corner of the chat window and click the search bar. Now here's the important part. Discord has search filters that let you narrow results by media type. If you want to see only images, type has image into the search bar and press enter. Discord will now filter the results so you can view all the photos that were shared in that conversation or channel. If you're looking for videos instead, use has video. Type it in the same search bar and press enter. This will show only video files that were posted in the selected chat, which makes it much easier to find clips without digging through every message manually. And if you want to find documents, downloads, or other shared files, use has file. Again, type it into the search bar and hit enter. Discord will display all file attachments, which is especially useful if someone sent you a PDF, a zip file, a screenshot, or any other attachment. You can use these search commands one at a time depending on what you need. The great thing is that this works inside DMs, group chats, and server channels, so you don't have to guess where a file was sent. It's one of the fastest ways to browse media history on Discord from a PC. If you want to go even faster, you can combine these searches with keywords, usernames, or date filters later on. But for most people, has image, has video, and has file are the easiest commands to remember. Just open the right chat, click search, type the command, and instantly narrow everything down. So to recap, if you want to view all chat media on Discord on PC, go to the chat, open the search bar, and use has image for photos, has video for videos, or has file for documents and attachments. It's simple, fast, and super useful. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Discord tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.